Namaste children. We will be learning today add 4 by using the big friend family friend. Big friend family friend, you are aware of this. We had done add 1, add 2, add 3 already. So now we are going to learn add 4. So friend of 4, big friend, who is the big friend of 4? 6. Because 1 and 6 makes, combined to make 10. Okay, suppose see, this is the 6. Already you have your 6. And you have to add now 4. How to add? So you must to come to the tens rod. You need help of the big friend. So how to add 4? Add 4 is less 6, add 10. Add 4 is less 6, add 10. Because you can add 1 easily, you can add 2 easily, 3 easily, but add 4, you don't have the bits left over here. So add 4 is less 6, add 10. So what to do first? First of all, you have to set all these ones, tens, ones, tens, so as you can to practice our formula. Add 4 is less 6, add 10. Add 4 is less 6, add 10. Like this. Okay. Now let's start and do the questions based on the formula. Start. 3, add 4. See, add 4 you have to do this side. You have the bits on one's rod. So don't use the big friend. Don't jump on the tens rod immediately. You have here the 6. So add 4. Utilize the small friend family formula. First of all, you have to check. If you have here the bits, don't jump on the tens immediately. So add 4 we did. Now 1. Again 1. This is the 4. Add 4 you have to do. Less 6, add 10. Less 2. Now 10. Now next is 9. Add 4. You don't have. Now apply the big friend formula. This. 13. Now 5. Again 4. Less 6. Add 10. 1. 23. 7. 4. Less 6. Add 10. 8. Less add 4. Less 6. Add 10. 1. Next question. 8 less 1. Add 4. Less 6. Add 10. 5. Add 2. So this is 18. Now 3, 6, less 1. Add 4. Less 6. Add 10. 2. It's 14. Next 5, 3, less 1, add 4, less 6, add 10, 1, so 12. 9, less 2, add 4, less 6, add 10, 2, less 3. Okay, so keep on practicing. Daily practice is must. So the purpose will solve only if you do practice daily. Okay, keep on practicing. We'll meet in next class with next formula. Bye bye. See you in next class.